Pada hari ini kita berkumpul dalam sukacita mengantar sepasang kekasih Desmanto Suhartomo Rumapia dan Anastasia Maranata Burumanurung untuk menerima berkat pernikahan dari Tuhan. Marilah kita sambut kedua saudara kita pengantin yang berbahagia memasuki gereja. Dimohon agar kita seluruhnya berdiri.
From this moment, love has begun. From this moment, you are the one. Right beside you is where I belong. From this moment, from this moment, I have been blessed. I live only for your happiness and for your love. I give my last breath. From this moment, I give my hands to you with all my heart. Can't wait to live my life with you. Can't wait to start. You and I will never be apart. My dreams come true because of you.
From this moment, as long as I live, I will love you. I promise you this, there is nothing I wouldn't give. From this moment on, you believe